Available now at Titan Machinery of Bismarck. We have a 2009 Case 580 SM3 with 1,490 hours. This backhoe loader has 91 horsepower and two-wheel drive, and features standard loader bucket and a side shift backhoe, along with an extendable dipper and 82-inch bucket. The cab is enclosed with heating and air conditioning. If you're interested in this Case 580 SM3 and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.